Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Pop Shop TV. We know we've been away. Oh, goofy! Alright. What up, gang?
In my head, hold on.
Shit, we already seen it like 3 times, nigga.
That's true, that's true. Oh, man.
Alright, what's up, squad? Welcome back to the Pop Shop TV. We're here once again, just give you guys a quick update what we've been up to. Don't pick it, man. Don't pick it.
It's gonna be affected.
We've been pretty busy. That's why we haven't been updating like we should. But other than that, we've been getting work done as we should, because that's what we got to do. You know, you can fill in. Say something. Back me up. You my backup for a reason.
Yeah, no, we've had a lot of work going in and out right now, so we haven't had time to really get much done as far as filming goes. But we have some content for you right now, and we'll have some for you this coming week as well. But yeah, just keeping busy. That's all we do. Right?
Yeah, exactly. So we'll show you what we've been up to these past couple days and these weekends. Yesterday we did go see Martin for his reveal party. So shout out to Martin. We'll throw a little quick clip in here right now. Bow.
Goofy ass. Goofy ass.
Niggas know. But yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and jump into what we've been up to right now. What up, Kel?
What up, man? What's going on today?
Yeah, you tell me. It's looking pretty busy up in here.
Well, we are doing a complete teardown on Nico's car after the last event, Sonoma Winter Jam. Going through, we're gonna check every single nut and bolt, hit everything with paint pens for accuracy, and make sure that he's kind of squared away good to go for this season. So before every event, he can just look underneath the car and be like, there's a paint mark there. They line up, nothing moves. I'm good to go drive, and you don't have to worry about your car. You can just drive.
Word.
I don't know how everyone else does it, but I worry about my car.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's definitely something you wanna.
The car that I'm gonna bring out and show everyone, there's so much fabrication work on it. Legit, the first time I drove it, I was just worried about the subframe staying in the car.
Yeah.
But I mean, you know, I even drifted it off the curb, so it's good to go.
It held up. He's got all the arms and everything, full adjustable. Any upgrades today?
No, not doing any upgrades. Just making sure everything's squared away for the season. A couple of things had to get fixed. Subframe bushings. Check this shit out. that could contribute to some wobble, instability, stuff like that, you know. So we're gonna put some new polyurethane bushings in. Luckily they were just in the shop, so that's what we're gonna go with.
Going with polyurethane, huh? No solids?
You know, I saw something recently online. Someone posted on Facebook about subframe risers being illegal in FD. So I'm not 100% sure how that cascades down to other series, but most people will try and copy the FD rulebook. So if it's illegal for them, it's best to just assume that it's illegal for the lower tier series. And we're gonna lose out on a little bit of suspension geometry, but I think we can make it up in other areas.
Okay.
You can always go with a little bit bigger tire or higher grip.
Understood.
Excited? Look for it. You might have one on the Tumblr. Heck yeah. I am beyond excited to actually have a car that's not all janky.
Sick, man.
And this is not when it's running right. Well, shit, but yeah, go ahead and tell them who you is. Get him on the camera.
This guy.
Camera.
My name's Drew. Working on a little 14 myself. I had a call from my boy with the 1UZ. You know, so kind of excited to see where it's gonna be at.
UZ gang. UZ gang. We about to make this happen. So
This nigga Rob's starting a cult.
Yeah, it's
not even, dude. Not even. But yeah, now UZ gangs is about to happen. Yeah, when Kels bring out his coupe hatch, his coupe truck, whatever, we're gonna put a UZ in that.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna put UZ in that too.
It's definitely gonna be fun, man.
UZ all the things.
Yeah, for real.
Compared to like 120 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
AKA.
Oh yeah. Get rid of that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's dude, and it's cheap.
Yeah.
It's cheap. Motors
You can
cheap.
find them everywhere.
It's just not. You just gotta talk to the right people who know about it,
before
because it's a lot of people that don't get the right information.
Yeah, for sure. Can't go off of what you see on the forums.
Yeah.
You gotta see some of that stuff for yourself.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna get Andrew's 14 running all good. It looks all gravy like. You know, we support the shop. Got the shop on it. You know. Yeah, we're about to gonna get it all squared away. We're gonna collab with Sergio, Sissio Fabs. Shout out to my bro Sergio. He's gonna do the wiring and
man.
and set it up on me. So hell yeah. You just got up.
So, what's gonna happen?
Post 3 o'clock.
Is the ring and the pinion come across each other, and you can see the pattern on it.
Damn, folks. You on the pot yet? Oh man, you know you supposed to call me when you're on the pot. What up?
Tell people about it.
This?
Yeah.
New motor. Slow. Bunch of new parts. Same turbo. Same injectors. Race fuel this time. better axles so I don't break them every day. RTS got me a dog box. Thanks, Rick. Next week I'm supposed to be getting a dog box for the car and
Nice.
see how that goes.
Oh yeah.
Should be fun.
And back on the track finally.
Yeah, half a year.
Right now, 25.
Yeah, dude.
25 trims. 25 trims.
What up, bro? What's the word? How you doing?
Alright, man.
What's on the agenda today, baby?
I don't know, man. Been lazy all day. It's Sunday.
Tell YouTube about it.
Huh?
Tell YouTube about it.
They don't even know what I'm doing. They don't even know my next moves.
Oh, keep on it.
Everything's top secret. Remember that.
Let's go.
All the sleeping and everything is top secret.
Nah, but yeah, I just came to check up, see what everyone else is doing, and see what's up with that bumper, because I gotta pick up the bumper.
So,
What's up with this?
I'm actually about to give it back to Ben, but for some reason his damn his retainer for his bash bar and shit is loose. And so it's rubbing on, yeah, it's rubbing, like it's chattering up on the retainer. So we finished with Ben. Shit, we did front main seal. Shout out to Honey. He took care of front main seal on this one. Swapped out some brand new inner and outer tie rods for him. For the rear, we went with all circuit sport suspension in the rear. Everything is adjustable, so it's ready for an alignment now. For the front tension rods, we took out his old bushings and wanted to go ahead and give him the same, keep the same bushing, keep the same tension brace, but put energy suspension bushings in there. So it's not like full track, it's like a streetable track. He's learning, so he doesn't need anything too crazy. It's KA. Rear subframe bushings, rear diff bushings, all energy suspension. And so, yeah, I didn't want to put him too much track, and we just put him on polyurethane. So we need to hit up Adele at Offbeat Garage. So shout out to Offbeat Garage. We need to pick up some of those solids from him. So we got a couple cars that we're going to be doing here too. So stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be out.
Cause you filming?
No, we're gonna change the music.
Well, that would still entail.
I'm mad. So what's wrong with that?
Man, you're going to get caught up in a wormhole.
Oh shit!
You don't
He
wanna get
said it.
caught in a wormhole.
You heard it here first. You heard it here first.
Ben, come get your shit cut.
Yo, can you turn the camera off? I'm trying to No, wait. Cut that.
Technology ain't shit. Fuck it. Fuck technology. Don't forget to subscribe.
Do that though.